If you have been wondering about the Missha M Perfect Cover BB Cream, then this is the video for you. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Jane, this is Station Jaya. Today I'm just running errands and I thought it would be really fun to just do a very quick organic video about how I use this product, what it really is like and what you can expect from it to get beautiful, juicy, even skin, that glass skin look that we all want and we can have. By the way, this video is not sponsored. These are all of my own thoughts. I truly love this product and use this product. Of course, I will leave all of the information in the description box below so you can find it easily. But other than that, just really love it and wanted to show you guys how I put it on. I'll also show you what it's looking like in different lighting. Here I am standing in front of my large sliding glass window and you can see the true color and coverage. There are no filters on this video. I would never do that to you guys. I just want you to see the real deal before you guys spend your hard-earned cash. And here we are in the car. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Starting out with clean and prepped skin, all of my skincare has sunken in and I have my sunscreen on. Now I'll take my Missha M Perfect Cover. I am in the shade number 23 and I want to show you guys the texture. See, it's a little bit thicker. It is not on the runny side, but it is very easy to spread and to work with. It's extremely light when you start spreading it out, but it has the most amazing coverage and the most amazing skin-like juicy finish. Here you can see the difference in both of my hands. I usually take about 2 pumps of the Missha M, and that is enough for my entire face and gives me the perfect amount of coverage. And I pat it all over my face, evenly distributing the product. And then I just start to rub it in and immediately you can see the change in the coverage. It has the most amazing finish. If your goal is to have jelly, beautiful glass skin, you are going to be so impressed with this product. And I kind of feel the more you work it into the skin, the more natural and skin-like the finish is, but the coverage never goes away. I absolutely love this product. It just smooths everything out and makes it so even. I do take this all around my eyes and work it in, and I never get any irritation, which can sometimes happen with products that contain an SPF. This one has a PA rating of PA+++ with an SPF of 42. I would never use this product as my only means of sun protection. I always put on an SPF first, but I love the fact that it has such a high SPF and PA rating, just an added boost. I'll get nice and close for you guys so you can see the finish. And look at this beautiful, radiant finish. You can definitely get away with leaving the house just like this. I prefer actually to powder down a little bit because I do have oily skin. Today I'm using my powder from imovie. This is their Oil Cut Compact. It is another Korean product, just like the Missha, and I love this powder because it takes down the shine without taking away any of the glow. It's just very lightly mattifying, and I'll show you the difference between both sides of my face. You can see that one side has a little less shine, but no less glow. I'm also applying my powder with my Stands Out sponge. I love this sponge. It was such an amazing buy. I like the large size, and I really love that no matter how much I pat the skin, it does not pick up any of the coverage. It just smooths everything out, and it helps me apply my powder, but it never picks up any of the coverage. And then I just go ahead and wash the sponge after use to keep things nice and hygienic. Complexion is done, and now I'm just going to take care of these little sparse brows. I love the It Cosmetics Brow Power. It's my favorite pencil, and I keep going back to it again and again. I'm in the color Universal Taupe, and I will just carve out my eyebrow and keep things nice and natural, not overfill, not go too dark, because it's just a natural day. Just take a look at that difference. We go from tiny and scrawny to natural and full. Now we'll take care of the other side. I really like going in and carving out that bottom line first. Then I will carve out the top line of the brow using very light pressure and fill in all of the hairs in between with light upward strokes. For the eyes, I'll use another Korean product. This is the Sweet Mint eyeshadow palette. And what I noticed is that the colors in this palette are very light, meaning that they have a light pigmentation. So they're buildable, but it is incredibly difficult to mess things up. I'm using the light golden color, and it has a little bit of shimmer, which adds some glimmer to the eyelids without being harsh. To finish things off, I'm just gonna curl the lashes, and I am having a no mascara day. Do you guys ever just take a break from mascara? I've noticed when I do that, my lashes love it. They just love the recovery days, and I feel like I can open up my eyes and have a beautiful, bright, open-eyed look without the mascara. Lastly, I'll add some pop to the cheeks using my favorite blush color of all time. This is the color Frenchie, and it's by the company Saint. This is a cream blush that I am obsessed with. It has the most beautiful pinky peach color and has a beautiful luminous finish that goes perfectly with my Missha M. We are in the home stretch. I'm just adding a little color back into my lips with the color Black Cherry by Saint. It's a beautiful berry color, but the real focus is on the skin transformation. Here we are with no makeup at all, just with our Missha M Perfect Cover, and finally the final glass skin look. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's demo and tutorial. And until the next time, bye.